They don dey advise country pipo, they don dey give warning to the general public. Say make dem ready make dem prepare themselves for more fuel scarcity based on the recent hike, based on the recent increment wey go enter the pump price of petroleum products. And na the executive vice president of Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited downstream, im name na Adedapo Segun, na im dey make dis statement and im dey yarn and dey give tori pipo on Thursday. Oga Segun now come dey emphasize, he come dey talk plenty about the importance of creating a perfectly competitive market to ensure a stable fuel prices and supply for inside we country Nigeria. He now come dey express im concern. He say the current pump price no dey accurately reflect market conditions. He say the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited wey be NNPCL, na dem be the only importer of PMS aka fuel for inside we country, and normally e no suppose to be so. So we suppose to dey move towards a situation where the free market na dey determine the prices. So wetin Oga Segun dey try talk be say, if to say other refineries dey work for inside we country Nigeria, that means competition for dey. If NNPC now dey sell their own market for 800 naira and others dey sell for 300, no country person wey go buy 800 when 300 naira own dey available. Then Oga Segun come dey clarify, im dey try explain something give the general public. He say the NNPCL, their role as the only importer of premium motor spirits aka fuel, no be deliberate choice by the company. No be say they just do am, no be wetin dem plan, no, but na in response to the market condition. NNPC, they no be regulator, they no choose to be sole importer, and they no fit determine who plays in the market. They just step in when others dey reduce their participation, and no be like say dem be monopolist. No, e just be like when you notice say nobody dey sell one particular market and you come decide to enter that kind business. He come still dey explain say to achieve a stable fuel supply and price, they go require ideal market condition, and e go include a more liquid foreign exchange market. He say market conditions now need to be perfect and there must be FX liquidity. He come still dey suggest say the broader economic reforms may be necessary to address the fuel pricing issue. NNPC now they have been working closely with private refineries like Dangote to ensure a stable supply of crude for refining. Now they don supply about 30 million barrels to Dangote refinery so far, and that's na 6.3 million this month, and they go supply 11.3 million for inside the month of October. All these informate, my good people, they come from the executive vice president of Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited. His name na Adedapo Segun, and no be small matter, my good people. You know say based on this increment now we can enter the price of petrol, wahala don dey come outside for inside the country. Transportation fares now, it don dey increase for inside the country, and as transportation fare don dey increase like this, na small remain, goods and services go come dey increase too. And when goods and services begin dey increase, e go lead to more unrest, e go lead to more kasala wey go make people want to dey do more protest for inside the country Nigeria. Then on Wednesday wey be the 4th day of September for inside this year 2024, NAN Congo conduct a check for inside Kaduna State, and based on their report, the cost of transportation for a commercial tricycle wey be keke from the central market to Sabo now na 500 naira before na 300 naira na be the charge. Then from that same market to Banawa and Nanarai settlement now na 400 naira when before na 250. So you see and say the increment wey can enter fuel prices, it don already dey affect transportation, and it don already dey affect the livelihood of country people. So now make we imagine parents of 4 children, when they wan begin carry their children dey go school for some kind areas dem, the kind money wey they go spend for only transportation alone, if you calculate am, you go see and say e don reach to take provide afternoon food for the children. So this matter, my good people, e get as e true be. And as I'm talking to you right now, commercial transporters for inside Ilorin, maybe the Kwara State capital, on Thursday, maybe the 5th day of September for inside this year 2024, they don't stop operations to protest the high cost of petrol for their business. Now, based on say they para where they no get joy, some members now come dey force Okada riders plus keke drivers and other intra-city commercial transporters. So when dem comot for road, make all of them now begin join the protest against this high cost of fuel. Passengers wey even dey on top okada and passengers wey dey inside keke, dem force all of them come outside so make dem come down, make dem dey trek. So if dem bin no know the scope before, if dem bin don't know what's going on, they go know now say e don choke for inside the country Nigeria. Fuel now for inside the state capital dey cost 1,100 and 1,200 naira per litre, and this now dey against the 895 naira wey NNPC announce as official price. And this new development, so this action wey commercial transporters for inside Ilorin dem take, e start since 7 a.m. on Thursday. This now come make some filling stations for inside Ilorin dey come stop to dey sell due to fear. They say make boys now wey dey para no come go scatter their facility. And as a result of this development, many commuters, many country people, they were stranded. They come gas trek some kilometers to their various destinations. But those people wey get private motor, they were allowed free movement. Commercial shop owners now for inside the state capital, they close their business. Them now they fear make situation now no come turn another thing. Country people wey dey para go come dey loot their shop. Now as the matter e hot like this for inside Ilorin, country people dey try reach the spokesperson of the state police command wey be DSP Ajere Adeyemi Toun, make e come see wetin dey happen for inside the state, make e come see wetin dey happen for area, because boys are not smiling. This new increment wey call enter price of fuel, if care is not taken, e go lead to the kind of things wey the federal government dey no expect. Already for inside the country Nigeria, situation of things dey pepper country people for body. They no like as things be. Na why they come go do end bad governance protest, and the protest last for 10 days. After every country people no still get their desired results. E come back as if the federal government no care about the general public. So para still dey body as the NNPC now come plaster increment on top price of fuel. Omo, this one now go lead to more unrest. E go lead to more havoc. E go add para join the one wey dey country people their body. If dem decide to use vex enter street, they fit loot, they fit scatter, they fit do the things and things wey normally e no make sense, but who go blame them? They are not happy. That na why we dey urge the federal government make dem do the needful to calm the general public down before water go pass garri. This my good people, na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you go like to receive more like this, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey come your side again with another interesting information for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.